Hello, trading has closed on February 15th, 2024. As always, we'll start with our disclaimer, go over our calls, and make some predictions. A number of people have been asking me how to get my webinar. The address is right here. I would appreciate it if you send me your Gmail address. It's just much easier for me to forward the system to you if I have a Gmail address. Well, we're going to go over our calls for tomorrow, February 16th. Just remember, it's a plan. I can change it. Plan can be wrong. Trade at your own risk. Yesterday we had mixed signals. Commonest thing is a gap and prompt move outside the day's range. That's what we got. Had a target 49.7283. We gapped up sharply. Target's still on the table, but not the time. It should print at some time. Just when it gaps sharply in the undesired direction, we aren't predicting it would print today. It's just a reminder of what we said. Gap prompt move outside the day's range. I have a new target for tomorrow, 5017.99. If you don't gap up smartly, rules call for that to print. During the day, that was the only signal we got, was that this move was a false move. It's supposed to undercut that line. Well, this is our Gann fan line, 2x1. Started way back at the market low in 2020. And that still offers resistance, and you can see how close we are. If we gap over it, we can continue. If we go past it without gapping over it, I'd be suspicious the move wouldn't stick. And I still think we've completed wave black 1 up, but if we're in 2, there's no law that says it can't be an expanded flat. We never got confirmation of this big drop earlier in the week, and until that happens, you just can't be certain of things. Well, tomorrow's pattern has a really high. It doesn't tell us where we open. Typically it's a rally day with a high and a final hour. Failure is a straight line drop. A producer price index comes out before the open tomorrow. It can be a market mover. I just don't like predicting the response to significant economic reports. That being said, there's a lower MEJT target, and if we don't gap up smartly, the rules call for it to print. It doesn't tell us where we close. At some point I think this is going to run out of steam, but as far as tomorrow is concerned, if we don't gap up smartly, the call is 5017.99. It's a pattern with the early high, and that's today's call.